Okay, today we'll do more harder sums of simultaneous equation. Now if you see in this sum, we can do this in both methods, substitution and elimination method. So I'll explain you both the method here. So from equation 2, say we can say y is equal to 2ab minus x. Now putting these values in equation 1, so we get, in fact, first equation is bx by a plus a. In place of y we will put 2ab minus x is equal to a square plus b square. Now we'll simplify this. Bx by a, now this becomes 2a square b minus ax by b is equal to a square plus b square. Now if we take LCM AB, we get here b square x and we get here 2a cube b minus a square x, right? Multiplying with a and this one multiplying with b, and that is equal to a square plus b square. So we get b square x plus 2a cube b minus a square x now is equal to, when you do ab into this, ab into a square plus b square. So next we get b square x plus 2a cube b minus a square x, and then multiplying this we get a cube b plus ab cube. Now keeping all x on one side and taking the others on other side, we get what? B square x minus a square x, a cube b plus ab cube, and then minus 2a cube b. We can take x common here. We get b square minus a square. Now if you see here, this is ab cube and then plus 2a cube b minus, plus a cube b minus 2a cube b, we get minus a cube b. And then I get x, we get b square minus a square. Here we can take ab common. Now if I take ab common, what I get? I get b square minus a square, and then finally I get x is equal to ab. Now putting this value of x equals to ab in this y, we can get the value of y also as ab. So we get y is equal to 2ab minus x means 2ab minus ab, and so finally we get 2ab minus ab as ab. Okay, you pause this video, take the screenshot and copy the sums. Okay. Okay, now we'll do the same sum with elimination method. So in these two equations, say we can multiply the first equation with 1 and the second equation we can multiply by b by a. So the first equation we get as it is, bx by a plus ay by b is equal to a square plus b square, and the second one we get what again? Bx by a plus by by a, you get 2ab into b by a, so you get 2a b square. So we can simply write directly, we can write 2ab into b by a get cancelled, we can write 2b square. So this is our third equation and this is our fourth equation. And now if we subtracting, we're changing the sign here. So we get bx by a minus bx by a cancelled, Here we can write it this way: ay by b minus by a. Now if you see a square plus b square, it is a square plus b square minus 2b square. So finally, now I can take AB LCM here. I get here a square y minus b square y, and here if you see, you get what? A square minus b square plus b square minus 2b square. And now we can take here y common. We get here a square minus b square is equal to a square minus b square into ab, and finally this and this get cancelled. We get y is equal to ab. Now if I put this equation in this second equation, we also get x equals to ab, right? Understand? Okay, next sum. Now in this type of sum, we can say, we can take, let's say 1 by x, we'll take something, say p, and 1 by y equals to q. Okay, then you can do it in simple way. Okay, so now this becomes, the first equation becomes, you can understand 2 by x. If you see 2 by x, we can say as 2 into 1 by x. Now we have taken 1 by x as p. So finally that becomes 2p. Now similarly the next one becomes 3q and equals to 13. And then again the next one becomes 5p minus 4q equals to minus 2. So we can, or we can simply take this one as first equation and this one as second equation, and then we'll simply solve in a normal way. And after solving in a normal way, then we'll put the value of p here. We'll get the value of x and we'll get the value of q. What, understand? Same method we can solve it. So let's solve this one. So we'll do, say, this one into 4 and into 3. So what I get? 8p plus 12q equals to 52. And next we are getting 15p minus 12q is equal to minus 6. So this is our third equation and this is fourth equation. And now adding, because this will get cancelled by adding. So you get 15 plus here we get 23p equals to 42. This we get what? 46, and we get p equals to 2. And similarly we can get the value of q also. And after getting p is equal to 2 and q is equal to something, now we know p means what? 1 by x, and therefore finally I get x equals to 1 by 2, right? Similarly we will get the value of y. Okay. Okay, another similar sum. Here also we can take, let 1 by x equals to p, 1 by y equals to q. So what we get, the first one, 1 by x as p means the first equation becomes p by 2, right? Because this is 1 by 2 into x. So look here, when I say 1 by 2x, means it is 1 by x into 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2x means 1 by x into 1 by 2, and 1 by x means p. So finally I get what? P by 2. I get p into 1 by 2, and finally I get what? P by 2. Okay, similar. And here also the next one, what I get? Q by 3 equals to 2, and then I will simplify this taking LCM. I get 6. I get what? 3p plus 2q is equal to 2, and I get 3p plus 2q equals to 12. So this becomes my first equation. Similarly, I will do the second equation, and then as we have done in the previous example, you can do this way. Okay. চার্জ দিতে ফোনে
না না পাওয়ার সেভিং মোডটা অন করে দিয়েছি 81%।
Now if you see this some normal method, okay, so don't get confused by this x, y and y and x. You do in a normal method, you will get it. Here you can see it is the first equation, second equation. So let us make this for x equal. So I can multiply this one with 3 and this one with 4. So first equation what I get 12x plus 27y is equal to 90xy. And next one we get minus 12x plus 20y equals to 4xy. Now simply you can see same method. We can add. We get here 47y is equal to 94xy, right? And here from here you can see this y and y will get cancelled, and then finally x is there, so we can get 47 by 94 equals to x, right? 94 this side, so finally I get what? X equals to 1 by 2, and x equals to 1 by 2. Now same, we can put in any equation, say minus 3x plus 5y equals to xy. Now put the value of x as half here and here, and then you will get the value of y. So we get what? Minus 3 into half plus 5y is equal to half y. So this one we get as minus 3 by 2 plus 5y is equal to y by 2. And then bringing all the y on one side, I can see it is 5y minus y by 2 equals to 3 by 2, right? We can take LCM here, 2, we get what? 10y minus y equals to 3 by 2. Now this 2 get cancelled, we get 9y equals to 3, and y is equal to 3 by 9, and so finally I get y is equal to 1 by 3, right? 1 by 3. Okay, so that's all. The simultaneous equation is over. Okay.